Rust seems to appear from nowhere, and even if most air guns have some sort of bluing or other treatment to help prevent rust, unfortunately nothing is 100% bulletproof. If you are not careful about storing your air gun the right way, the rust can get the upper hand pretty easily. So there are different types of rust and there are different ways to remove it. I'm gonna show you my favorite method that I use myself. Well, I'm using just this bronze all-purpose gun cleaning brush with the CLP. It's simple, affordable, and any beginner can handle it. The great thing about this brush is that its bristles are strong enough to get rid of the rust, but at the same time gentle enough not to scratch the surface or remove the finish of your rifle. Well, I've just found the Hatsan Mark 25 and you can see some rust forming on top. There are some visible spots. Well, simply take the brush and start gently rubbing the rusty spot. The key is you don't need to scrub too hard. It actually all depends on how deeply the rust has set in. Sometimes it's pretty stubborn. Another cool thing about this brush is it has two types of bristle on each side. It has a fine bristle and has a hard one on the other side. This one still won't scratch your gun surface, but it can be a little bit more effective at removing really stubborn rust. Well, after you've done some scrubbing, take a cleaning patch, spray some CLP on it and just wipe over the area you worked on. Just try to clean everything out. And there you go. We've removed all the rust and preserved the rifle without losing any of its finish. Plus, this brush isn't just for rust. You can use it for cleaning other parts of your rifle. There are also some budget-friendly tricks for getting rid of some serious rust, like a copper penny or a copper scrubber. Unlike just minor signs of rust, this method is perfect for dealing with deep-seated old rust that's challenging to remove and demands more effort. It's definitely gonna take more time and you'll still need to use a cleaning solution like CLP. First off, apply some CLP on the rusty spot and let it sit for about 15 minutes. Then grab a penny, press it gently against the surface with your finger and start rubbing. This is an effective method for removing surface rust from your gun. What I definitely love about air guns is that I can always get them at a great discount and with free shipping across the United States, along with top-notch PCP rifles and arrow guns, ammo, knives, wireless earbuds, power banks, smartwatches, all with discounts on every order, exclusively at the Sports and Gadgets and Wearable for You online stores. How to prevent the rust? The best way to keep your rifle from rusting is a combination of proper storage, managing the environment, and regular maintenance. Rust usually shows up on air guns because of temperature shifts that lead to condensation. If you bring your rifle from a cold place into a warmer one, that moisture in the air can settle on the cold metal and start the rusting process. So after you're done some shooting in the cold, wipe any moisture from exposed surface, then place your rifle into its case and zip it up tight. It's also a good idea to keep your air gun out of places where the temperature and humidity jump around a lot. Regular cleaning your rifle and giving it a light oiling can also stop rust from ever starting. So please share your thoughts and experience in the comments and don't forget about the discounts on all air guns along with free shipping across the United States exclusively at the Sports and Gadgets online store. Well, hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, stay tuned and see you in the next video.